Ready to unlock a whole new level of spending power with your Wells Fargo Autograph Card? Let's dive in. The Wells Fargo Autograph Card is your ticket to earning valuable rewards on almost everything you buy, especially when you focus on its key bonus categories. Think of it this way: every hotel stay, every delicious meal out, every fill-up at the pump, and even your regular utility bills can rack up points at an impressive 3x rate. This means your next vacation, or even your daily commute, is essentially paying you back in rewards, significantly enhancing your purchasing power. But earning is just the beginning. Redeeming your hard-earned autograph points is where the real magic happens. Log into your Wells Fargo online account and navigate to the Rewards Center here. You'll find a variety of redemption options tailored to your lifestyle. You can choose to redeem your points as a statement credit, directly reducing your card balance, or use them to book travel through the Wells Fargo portal while Eurothink flights, hotels, and even car rentals. For ultimate flexibility, consider redeeming for gift cards to your favorite retailers or even for cash back, giving you complete control over how you benefit. By strategically using your Wells Fargo Autograph Card on these bonus categories and exploring all the flexible redemption options, you're not just spending, you're investing in future experiences. Start maximizing your rewards today.